Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your email to Instagram, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on the main page. What you want to do from here, the first step is to navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right. Once you're here, you want to go and click on the three bars in the top right to access your account options menu. Once you're here, as you can see, the first option is the account center, and this is exactly what we want. Now, in the account center, you'll be changing most of your data, your password, your email. It is pretty much connected for every app or service in the Meta network, and you're going to be using this across multiple accounts or for one account if you've migrated over to different services. Now, once you click on the account center, this is what pops up, and you need to navigate down to personal details. Once you're here, all you need to do is click on contact info. As you can see, I already have my mail there, and from here you can just click on add new contact, and from here you can add a mobile number or an email. You just want to select you want to add an email, enter your email, and then that's all it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.